G'day guys, we've got something really exciting in the Unsealed 4x4 garage today, and it's not just Ben from Drivetech 4x4, even though we love seeing him here. It's this new rival bumper, which is the first of its kind in Australia that Drivetech 4x4 are proud to be distributing. Now, it's not just a pretty face, this has got a lot of gear packed into it, doesn't it, Ben?
Yeah, it sure has, Ev. Look, one of the main features, it's made from 6mm alloy.
This is an alloy bar.
It's an alloy bar.
It looks like a steel bar.
It does, it does. I mean, we've really beefed up the alloy product, so it is still a very, very strong bar.
Right.
It only weighs 50 kilos. It's got a, we use 4mm steel subframe.
Right, okay.
So it's still an extremely strong bar. It's winch compatible, rated.
So take a winch.
It can.
Straight out of the box?
Straight out of the box. It's
Brilliant.
all pre-assembled, ready to go.
Brilliant.
So you can mount up to a 12,000 pound winch in
Right,
there,
okay.
which is good. Obviously a lot of detail with the finish. You know, we really wanted it to hug the contours of the vehicle. IP69K rated optional fog lights.
Yep, okay.
You got tow hooks. And one of the main features also is it integrates with the Underbody Armour. So part of the rival range is the 6mm Underbody Armour Kits. Now the bar comes with a front plate,
Yep.
which you can fit up with your standard skid plates that come with the car.
But you wouldn't.
They're pretty crappy. So we actually integrate this right through with a 6mm Underbody Armour Kit, which goes all the way back to the vehicle. It's quite a lot wider than most other Underbody Armour Kits on the market. Right. So we try to maximise the amount of protection you get. We've also got inspection ports for draining oil and so on. And it is a bolt-on kit too, so no modifications required.
You could slide over anything basically. That really does go all the way back.
You can.
That offers
That's
a lot
exactly
of protection
right.
there.
Plus there's little features like this little inspection port for the winch.
Oh, so you could get into your control box.
Absolutely.
I'm assuming mount That's pretty cool.
That's it. Yeah, so a lot of thought's gone into the actual design to make it suit more modern vehicles.
Speaking of design, I noticed this concave up here. This isn't a bumper cut, this is a direct replacement.
Exactly right, yeah. So it is a one-piece bar. Yep. Which means you just got to take off the original bumper, bolt this one straight on.
That's going to look a lot nicer, and it's going to save you a bit of time fitting it too, isn't it?
Yeah, that's exactly the idea.
Now, would people be able to fit this at home themselves, or would you recommend that they go see a dealer to get them fitted up?
Either. I mean, you can use just general tools to get it done yourself.
Right, okay.
But we've also got a full network of authorised stockists who can do it for you.
Okay. Now, is it just the bumper you're doing, or has Rival got a bunch of other gear that you could offer people at home as well?
There is a growing range of the Rival product.
Okay.
Obviously, we've got the bumper, the underbody armour.
Yep.
Now we've got a Bonnet Strut Kit, which we can show you.
Right, okay, yeah.
We've also got a Tailgate Assist Kit, which stops the tailgate from smashing down.
Just dropping down, right,
Exactly
okay.
right.
All right, Ben, you'll just tell me about the Rival Bonnet Strut Kit. Let's see how easy it is to use. I'm only going to use one hand.
Yep.
Oh, that's great.
Much easier than using that old thing.
Why would you? Why would you bother?
Absolutely.
Now, just looking at this, it doesn't look too crazy, but there'd have to be some custom fabrication to get this to fit. You'd have to drill and gut things, I'm assuming, wouldn't you?
No, there's not actually. It is a no drill installation.
Right.
Picks up all the factory bolt holes in the vehicle. We've got laser cut brackets, which are powder coated. The German made gas pressurised struts are specifically made for each model type of vehicle.
Right.
It's a DIY job. It's very, very easy to install.
That's a pretty smart idea. And even closing it, again, one-handed operation.
Yep.
It really does make it easy, doesn't it?
Absolutely.
Well, there's something else out the back you wanted to show me, another bit of Rival gear that we should have a look at.
Tailgate Assist Kits.
Tailgate Assist Kits, let's have a look.
All right, Ev, as discussed, one of the kits we've made is the Tailgate Assist Kit.
Right.
Now, this is designed for the tailgates of all your utes.
Okay.
Obviously, one of the big issues with these things is when you open the tailgate, if you slip or drop it, they do crash down pretty badly. So why don't you open this one and give it a go?
So this doesn't have the kit fitted?
Doesn't have the kit fitted yet.
Right, that's pretty savage.
It's pretty bad.
Yeah, okay. There's a fair bit of weight in that.
Yeah, there is. So what we've done with Rival is designed a kit for the ute market.
Right.
Basically, it's a bolt-on kit.
Okay.
Really easy to install.
This kit really has made this tailgate much easier to use. It really is the simple things in life that make the biggest difference, isn't it, Ben?
Yeah, absolutely, mate. Look, I think every ute owner should have one of these kits installed.
I agree. Well, thanks very much for coming down today, Ben, and showing us around this really cool Hilux and all the Rival gear that you can fit to them, and a bunch of other four-wheel drives. Now, if people want to get this on their own cars, how can they go about it?
No problems. Well, the Rival product's distributed through Drivetech 4x4 authorised stockists.
Right.
To find them, you just go to drivetech4x4.com.au.
That easy.
That's it.
All right. Well, next month, we're going to be showing you guys how to install a transmission oil cooler in your four-wheel drive. So you're going to have to check out Unsealed 4x4 to see the Unsealed garage.